In this video, I'll show you how to invest in semiconductor stocks on Robinhood in a simple way. First, open the Robinhood app and tap on the search bar. Type in keywords like semiconductor or search for popular chip companies you're interested in. Tap on a stock, then scroll down to check the chart, company details, and recent performance. Semiconductor companies are important for things like AI, phones, and computers, so look for ones with strong growth and consistent demand. Once you're ready, tap Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and confirm your order. If you're not sure which company to pick, you can also search for ETFs that focus on semiconductor stocks. This gives you exposure to multiple companies in one investment. Next, don't invest everything in one stock. Choose a few different companies or a mix of stocks and ETFs to reduce risk. You can also set up recurring investments by selecting a stock and choosing a schedule. This helps you invest consistently over time. Keep tracking your portfolio, but focus on long-term growth instead of short-term price changes. That's it. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tips.